Hi, welcome back. Let's go learn tuple. What is tuple? Tuple is just like list. Let me first create a file here, name it tuple.list, tuple.py, sorry, I said tuple.list, that was incorrect. Okay, so let's create a tuple. I'm going to name it tuple or let's again give name is equal to a tuple. So tuple start with these small brackets. Okay, we have anything which is inside this is called each element of a tuple. Again, let's go with name at. Okay, and use schema to separate them and le. We have two things here right now. Okay, I am going to print this and that is it. Save it and let's run it from here. Now instead of list.py, I'm going to use tuple.py and hit enter. Now you see we have something like this. It's also indexed. Okay, we can find, for example, the first indexed and it will give me the first one. If you want to see the second one, so I use one and Control S, and that is it. Okay, so this is tuple, and also there is a lot of operation that we can do on this tuple, and for example we can move using a loop to print all these elements that is into the tuple, and also we can clear a lot of things that we can do. Okay, for example, if I use a for loop, you haven't studied for loop yet, later we will cover that. Okay, so let's use for x in the name of the tuple, which is name right now. Okay, for example, I want to print all and everything which is the inside this tuple, and now if I save it, come here and print it, it gives me nothing. That is because I haven't printed yet. Okay, see, it is giving me name at and then le. You may ask, what is the difference between printing like this and also printing only the name? Okay, while you're using only the name, so it will give you these brackets, this, and also all things. But while you are printing using a for loop, it will give you only the element. Okay, so it is how we can use a for loop to navigate through a tuple, list, even dictionary. But don't be worried if you don't know anything about for loop. In the future we will be covering them. Okay, so see you.